Ever thought your AI chatbot could become your fortune teller who can predict your future wife, or therapist that helps you fight your demons? Well, strap in because today I will show you 5 underrated use cases for ChatGPT that will blow your mind. And I'm Maddie from AI File Tutorial. Imagine having your own Gordon Ramsay in your kitchen without having to pay a single penny. Give ChatGPT all the ingredients that you have and let it cook up a star Michelin recipe that is faster than you can say abracadabra. And here is my example. I want to make dinner but I'm not sure how to cook. I have chicken, lettuce and some pasta at home. Can you give me a simple recipe with these ingredients? So let's see what we got from ChatGPT. So we have the whole recipe for my dinner here, so let's check it out tonight. Need a name for your new puppy or your startup? Don't just call it dog or another coffee shop. Just give ChatGPT a hint of what vibe you are going for, and it will help you come up with the perfect name for everything. Here are 3 tips to make it better at naming. First, you should tell exactly what kind of name you are looking for, whether it's descriptive, symbolic, or abstract name. And second, let it know if you want a short name or a long name, or maybe a name with a certain ending. And third, ask it give you a bunch of suggestions. For example, here is my prompt. I want a name for my startup cosmetics company. This name should sound empowering, inspiring, and dreamy. I want a short, symbolic, and mnemonic name. Can you suggest some options for me? And here is what we got from ChatGPT. Stuck on what to watch or listen to next? Tell ChatGPT what you liked recently and it will line up suggestions so good that you think it knows you better than your girlfriend. For example, I asked ChatGPT to give me some movies that have the same vibe with the series Peaky Blinders. And here is what I got from ChatGPT. Sound promising. You're on a holiday but don't know where to go? Use ChatGPT to act as a tour guide for your adventure. It can give you a detailed plan for your tour based on your preference, budget, and schedule. For example, I asked ChatGPT for a 3-day tour in Bali, and here is what I got. A detailed plan for each day of my tour. And last but not least, when your creativity is as dry as my phone on a Friday night, ChatGPT is your savior that helps you create a unique label for your whatever projects, from a kitchen to a killer app. Here you can give ChatGPT the ideas that you have in your mind and some details about the project that you're working on. For example, here is my prompt. I'm launching a new dating app for my company. I want a creative and funny label for that app. Something like get your app and have your wife delivered to your house. Let's see. Okay, so I have a quite fancy label here. Match, mingle, find your better half, delivered to your doorstep. Quite unique and catchy, right? It's something like a label for a pizza company. But it's okay. And it's all for our today's tutorial. 5 out of 1,000 mind-blown use cases of ChatGPT that you haven't never thought of. Let's check it out and leave a comment down below to share with me other unbelievable use cases of ChatGPT that you've tried.